video was taken at the University of Derby of students being taught how to use TecQuipment's Turbojet Trainer, the GT100, which is a single shaft gas turbine. Watch as a technician explains to the group how the Turbojet Trainer works and the theory that will help them to understand. With ear defenders on or earplugs in, he demonstrates how to use the equipment and gets it ready for experimentation. The aim of this particular lesson is to look at the speed and examine the variables, and at the bottom line the efficiency, so students can understand the optimal performance speed. Following the technician's lead, the students bring up the speed to 60,000 revs per minute and then captures the data in the versatile data acquisition software displayed on the large screen. Then notch the speed up to 70,000 revs per minute, click the data capture button again, and so on until 90,000 revs per minute. Once all the data is captured, the technician helps the students to turn off the turbo trainer by turning the fuel flow control fully off and also turning off the fuel supply in the fuel tank. The technician then goes on to illustrate how to save the results. Thank you for watching this video from TecQuipment.